Alright, how's everybody doing? Back again with another video for everyone. And today, what I have for everyone is my follow-up / wrap-up video with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I honestly don't know why I keep doing this to myself. I keep buying these devices that I really love, only to realize that they're outside of the price point that I want this channel to focus on. So maybe you're new to the channel, maybe you're a return viewer, but I just recently finished up my coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and I dropped a full review. And I absolutely love the device. Is it perfect? No. But for the money, it is a really solid device, and I can more than recommend it if you're in a market for a device like that. If you're in the market for a device like that, I can more than recommend it. And I essentially said that in my full review. Now, some major weak points as to why, yes, I'm not keeping it, as to why I decided to move it on down the line and bring in something else. Let's talk about it. Some major weak points. Number one, no micro SD card expansion. I talked about that in the full review. Now, that's not a big deal because the Note 10 comes in one RAM storage configuration. That's 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of onboard storage. And even after 2 months of usage, I am still nowhere close to filling up all the storage on this device. So 256 gigs of storage, that seems to be a sweet spot there. But I really would have liked micro SD card expansion because it goes perfectly with the way I produce my content. So that was the first major negative right there. Alright. Negative number 2. No 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay? Again, I mentioned this in the full review. It's not a big deal because the stock camera app on the Note 10 supports Bluetooth audio. So I could use any Bluetooth pair of headphones and get some really good audio. But I have really good microphones. And I want to use my really good microphones to make the best possible videos. So it really is a big negative that this device doesn't come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. And I know some people may say, but just go get an adapter. You'll be okay. Go get you an adapter. You'll be all right. No. I don't want to be recording in the field or coming up with ideas for a video and having a whole bunch of dongles and things hanging off the side of my device, weighing everything down. No. So that was major negative. Number 2, no 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay? And the last negative, and this is the main reason why I'm getting rid of the device, the price. Alright? Now, yes, I can recommend the device for that $415 to $420 price point. Yes, if you're in the market for a device like this, I can recommend it. This device will serve you well. But, and this is a big but, I've said it before, that is just a little bit outside of the price point that I want to spend for products on the channel. And I'm going to say it again. The price point that I'm looking at for any product on the channel is a maximum of $380. It's really a maximum of $280. And in all honesty, guys and gals, there's no reason why you can't get a device with this type of performance, very fluid software, very feature packed, with these type of cameras, very good solid cameras that can record all the way up to 4K 60 on the front and the rear and do 4K 30 with the ultra wide camera on the rear. There's no reason why you can't get devices like that for $280. It is now 2021. Everybody needs to experience this type of flagship fluid software performance and cameras, and you shouldn't have to break the bank to do it. Okay? You really shouldn't have to break the bank to do it. And this is why that's a very important point to me. That $280 price point, I believe it can be done. It can be done. So, I'm very sad to say it, but will I be keeping the Note 10? No. But, and this is a big but, a really good family member of mine is going to get a really great deal on this device. And I hope you enjoy it, kiddo, because it should serve you well. And what am I going to be moving on to in the future? Well, I've done update videos. I'll link it down below as to what type of products I'm going to be covering. We're still going to focus on the lesser known companies and brands. And we still got some old school devices that have been out for a while that I feel no one has really covered. So we're going to be covering that too. I'll link up that update video down below as well. And I said this before and I'm going to say it again. You guys and gals might see it a little bit sooner than later. But I do plan on making the iPhone XS and the Samsung Galaxy S10e my main daily drivers on the channel. Okay? Those two devices are going to be the future benchmarks for devices on the channel in terms of fluidity and performance, in terms of cameras, okay, in terms of features. Those two devices are going to be the benchmarks, okay, and we're going to stack them up against, you know, some more inexpensive devices that might be better in certain areas. But yeah, man, I'm not going to make this video too long. This video right here was recorded with the front-facing 10 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and this was recorded in 1080p at 60 FPS. 1080p, I'm tripping. This was recorded in 4K at 60 FPS with the front-facing camera. Y'all thought I wouldn't give y'all some 4K 60 footage? Nah, I wouldn't do y'all like that. So I had to make one more video so y'all could see what the quality is like. And this is the front-facing camera in the best possible lighting that I can get it. So let me show y'all something. So we got the studio lights here. Okay, we got the big studio lights going here. That's why we got that. Y'all can see the pores on my skin. That's because how we got the studio lights set up. We got two on either side. We got the overhead smart studio lights going. Everything is calibrated to a nice color. And it should make everything in the video really pop. So this is the best footage that I can produce with these cameras in pretty much perfect lighting. Okay? So I had to do it for y'all, man. I had to do one more video letting y'all know how I feel and showcasing the cameras yet again. I had to do it. Alright? Now, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed all the coverage that I did on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found the coverage helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. All my coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be linked up down below in the video description, along with where you can pick up the device for some really great prices. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? Alright. Hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Boy, these lights make your boy sweat. I'm out here glistening out here, boy. Woo! Man. Alright. Have a good one, everybody. We out of here. Peace.